Do you have what it takes to become wealthy through trading and investing? Do you have the mental and emotional capacity to continue to extract gains from the market at will? Well, let's look into it. Hello and welcome back to Think Smart Education. I'm Jonathan Jobe, and in this video, we're going to dive into the 5 trading psychology rules that every trader and investor should know. These rules will help you develop the mindset and the mental fortitude needed to succeed in this wide, crazy world of trading. But before we dive into it, just a reminder, hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps the channel out and helps us to be able to reach and help more people to become financially free. Now let's get into it. Rule number 1, always have a plan. Now that might sound like a weird psychology rule, but let me tell you that what happens when you put together a plan is that it takes an enormous amount of mental load off you. It means if you're sitting down to begin trading or investing and you've got a well-written plan, it takes so much stress and anxiety out of the whole trading process. You can simply just sit down, you've got all of your guidelines listed out, a full plan, and when you look through the market, you can see what fits the plan and what doesn't. Now, if you've never put together a trading plan or an investing plan before, don't worry, we've got you here at Think Smart Education. There's a link in the description below and you can download our free trading plan template. Rule number 2, manage your risk. Now, the fact is, people's attitude towards risk, their relationship with risk, can greatly determine their success or their failure within their trading or investing journey. I've told a story before where I had a good friend who saw all of my success in trading, in business, in investing. And I said to him one day, I said, look, let me show you everything. Let me bring you in and show you everything here. And the worst case scenario is if this doesn't work, if all of this falls apart, you'll just end up exactly back where you are right now. That's right. Your worst case scenario is where you are right now. You've got nothing to lose. But he started coming up with excuses. Oh, what if this happens? What if that happens? Oh, that's a bit risky. And it was his attitude towards risk, his psychology towards risk that stopped him from becoming successful. One of the number one things that I find stop people from becoming successful in trading or investing is their attitude towards risk, their relationship towards risk. The fact is, everything in life is risky. Whether you walk outside, drive a car, shake someone's hand, or eat a piece of fruit, doesn't matter what it is, everything carries risk. And if you can overcome opening up a bag of chips and eating them without fear of them being poisonous, then you can overcome the fear of the risk of trading. Rule number 3, stay disciplined. Look, I understand discipline is a dirty word. It's usually likened to discipline when it comes to eating, going on a diet or exercising, and we've all had bad experiences there. But staying disciplined when it comes to trading and investing is absolutely crucial. And the most successful traders in the world are able to have their trading plan and they're able to be disciplined enough to stick to it. They have a daily, weekly, monthly routine that allows them to continue to extract money from the market whenever they want. So staying disciplined, having that routine and having that trading plan and sticking to it is a massive step forward. But you've got to master that psychology of being disciplined. Rule number 4, keep your emotions in check. So many people have come to me and said, I'm not emotional, I would be an amazing trader or investor. But that's actually not the case. I find the very best traders and investors are people who are actually emotional people, but they've learned to understand their emotions. They've learned to listen to their emotions and see what it's telling them. They know, hey, I'm getting over emotional right now. I need to step back. I'm feeling a lot of anxiety right now. I need to step back or practice a mindful routine. Practice deep breathing, something to bring down your emotions, bring all of your thoughts back into the logical side of your brain, that wizard brain, that prefrontal cortex. And so by people understanding their emotions, knowing what they are, understanding that we are all emotional people, and learning how to then control that is what makes someone an amazing trader or investor. Rule number 5 is continuous learning. You never stop learning. This world is continually developing and growing. We're seeing amazing developments with artificial technology as we speak, where things are going to begin to leap forward in massive leaps and bounds. And so you will never ever stop learning. There will always be new things coming out. And to be honest, for me, that is the exciting part of life, is discovery. I don't look at it as learning, I look at it as discovering. So with that trading, with the psychology of continuous learning, don't look at it as I've got to sit down and I've got to do 6 hours of study. Look at it as I'm going to discover something new. I'm going to discover something about the markets. I'm going to discover something about my trading plan that I never knew before that's going to take me to new heights. So there you have it, the 5 trading psychology rules that every trader needs to know. By following these rules, you're going to be able to develop that mindset, that mental fortitude needed to succeed in the world of trading and investing. Remember, you need to have the plan, you need to manage your risk, stay disciplined, keep your emotions in check, and always be learning or always be discovering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with friends and people in your trading community. And as always, stay tuned for more valuable content from Think Smart Education. Thank you, and I'll see you again soon.